This is one of my favorite places. A huge chunk of land which has been divided into small plots, but it's not for sales now because of some court case. It's very green and very clean as well, and not a lot of people. And whenever Meena, my wife, feels like driving, I bring her here because she's new to road. She doesn't have a license, and I mean, like, you know, it's pretty safe here. You don't have to worry about hurting anyone. There is a small bridge construction going on here. So let's see what. Every year when it starts raining, water from this part of Chennai comes onto this side, and there is no bridge. So this is the first bridge, which is also a dam. So hereafter, whenever it is going to rain, the dam is going to control the water. So the other part of Chennai, which is developing very fast, you have the OMR road and all the IT companies, they can be prevented from flood. So that's the idea of this dam, but it's taking forever to build. It's been under construction for already 4.5 years, and every year this dam is not built, we have flood, and we are stuck in our apartment for like a week or two. The story of my bicycle is in 2015 when the Chennai flood came. I was stuck in my office. I was staying in DLF Garden City, and then when it started raining heavily, someone told me that if you go to office will never get flooded because they follow all the protocols and everything. So I took my motorcycle and I went to my office. And within half an hour of reaching the office, the water came inside the office. So many cars, bikes were submerged inside the water, and I was stuck in office for 4 days eating biscuit and bread, and I didn't have any money in my hand. There were 4 ATM in the first floor, so I was like, the whole money is for us. Whenever we want, we can go take the money out. But because of this water issue, the whole ATM was inside the water, and I had like some 40-45 rupees in my hand. And I went to the Central Railway Station thinking that okay, I'll buy a ticket and go to Bangalore to see my brother. But again, trains were also cancelled. So I took another bus and I came to Adyar. I walked from Adyar to Thuraipakam, and I went to the cycle store and I told him, see, I don't have any money, but I have my credit card, I have my office ID card. You can take it now and give me a cycle for now because it's really required. And maybe once the electricity is back, the internet starts working, you swipe and take the money. So this is when I got this cycle. And then I took the cycle. I was very hungry and I wanted to shit. Hunger is fine, but you can't control your... So I went to my cousin's house. My cousin's house was locked. Then I went to another friend's house. His house was also locked. Not knowing what to do, I went to an office, and there I told them, can you allow me to use your toilet? And they allowed me to use the toilet. And then I cycled it and went all the way to Velachery. where my friend Ebenezer was there. So I stayed in his house for 2 or 3 days, and then next day to Medavakam, stayed in another friend's house for another day, and then cycled again to Navalur, stayed in my home for another 1 day, and then took that to again back to my office, because bike was already inside water. So the only thing that saved me during that flood was this bicycle. This building is the AWHO, and a lot of people ask me about whether water comes here or not. So now the road which I am traveling in is known as Talambur Road, and the height of this road is really high. So when it starts raining, you don't get water flooding here. This campus is pretty safe.